This Zoom will be about 30 minutes long. The one this morning only took like 20 minutes, so we're not gonna take that much of your time. This Zoom will be recorded and available for future use. We will let you know when and where you can watch it at a later date. So let's go ahead and get started. What is absence management? Absence management is the first half of the new time clock system that will allow employees to enter in their absences via computer or phone. It's a very simple process. If you ever booked a hotel, a flight, or a concert online, you should be able to enter an absence and absence management fairly easily. How to enter absence. This is the home screen. At the top of the screen, you'll see 3 months of calendars with the holidays already marked. At the bottom of the screen is where you'll enter your absences. For the purposes of this training, this person will be absent on February 27th. So they can select that day on the calendar by clicking the 27th. Next, they'll need to indicate whether or not they need a sub. If the position does not require a sub, you will not have this option. For example, assistant principal will not need a sub, so they will not have this option. Next, you will have to select the absent reason. As you can see, the different absent reasons: death in the family, jury duty, personal day, professional, and sick. At this time, we ask that you continue to send your professional leave the way you've been sending it by paper. The rest of the leave you can use absent management for. For this example, this person is going to be out sick, so they will select a sick day. So they'll just click on sick day. Once you select the absent reason, you'll have to select the time that you'll be absent. It will default to a whole day, which is your normal schedule start and end times will be displayed. This person's start time is 7:30 and their end time is 3 o'clock. So they plan to be out all day, so they wouldn't have to change anything on this screen. You can also put notes to your supervisor or administrator in this box, but please remember that anyone with organizational user privileges can see these notes. That includes Ms. Davis, myself, Ms. Demery, Dr. Elo, and Ms. Revels. You also can leave notes to your substitute, but also remember with those notes, the organizational users and your supervisor will be able to see what you put in that box. Okay, on the right side, you'll see you can leave documents for your supervisor and the sub to view if needed. And you can look at the screen and make sure your absences, you have all the information that you plan on giving your administrator and your sub, and you put in the sick day and your time. And once you verify all this information is correct, you'll click Create Absence at the bottom right-hand side of the screen. And once you click that, you get a confirmation. You'll just click OK. And you have completed absent and absent management. Do we have any questions so far? For professional leave, the question is for professional leave, do I only do paper copy or both? You're required to continue doing the paper copy. You can go in absent management and put that absence out, but you must do the paper copy. If you want to attach the paper copy to your absence management, you can, but you must do the paper copy at this time. Somebody asked, where is this located? This will, an email be sent to you with your login information that will tell you where the website and how to download the app and all that kind of information once you get your login information. Any more questions? Okay, we're gonna move on. Editing and deleting leave. Editing is just as simple as creating the leave. First, you will click schedule absence at the top of the home page. Then you'll click the view details button over here on the right-hand side. Then you'll click edit absence. Let's just say this person no longer needs to be out all day and they need to be out from 10 to 3. All you need to do is change the start time to 10 and then click save absence. That's at the top and the bottom of your screen on the left-hand side. Now you can see the absence and the change that you made, and it reflects the 10 a.m. Start time of the absence. Let's just say this person had a doctor's appointment and the doctor's appointment was canceled, and now they need to delete this absence. They will just click the delete button right there. They'll get a "Are you sure?" box will come up. Once they are sure that they want to delete this absence, they'll click yes, and it's deleted. Do we have any questions about editing and deleting? I missed the answer where this is located. I'm sorry. You would get a login information email, and it will give you all the where the website located and how to download the app. So once you get your login information, which is what we're about to talk about now, you'll get all that information. So you'll get some login information very soon. We're gonna start sending them out Friday. They'll be sent out to the email that we have on file. This is probably the email that you gave Ms. Nolly when you was hired. If you don't receive an email, a Frontline email, please let us know by email. Our contact information will be listed at the end of the presentation. Please give us time to email you back. It may take days to get a response, but just know that we are answering the emails as fast as we can. The go live date is still unknown, but the first of next school year is looking very promising. We'll notify your principal of that date when it comes up. We ask that you download the app. I think that the app is a little more easier to use than the online portal, and we want you to start using the app as soon as possible. So as soon as you get the login information, We ask that you start using the app, using not just the app, but the online portal. So we want you to get used to actually using Frontline. Do we have any questions? Anybody have any questions? One of the last time to ask questions before the end of the presentation. The app is called Frontline Education. It's in both Android and the Apple Store. I think it's a purple icon. Okay, since there's no questions, this is our contact information. Please feel free to contact us at any time. And we thank you for your time, and we hope that you have a great rest of your day.